Not every hero starts strong. Some start with nothing but a dream. This is one of those stories. Once there was a boy named Ronnie, born in a small town where dreams were bigger than the streets he played on. He did not have expensive shoes or perfect grounds, but he had something stronger than all of that. He had belief. Every day, barefoot and smiling, he chased a football through narrow streets, imagining roaring crowds and giant stadiums. While other kids played for fun, Ronnie played with purpose. Football was not a hobby for him. It was his escape, his hope, his future. Life was never easy for Ronnie. His family struggled financially, and even small things felt heavy. At a
I
young age,
understand this is
he
difficult,
faced health
but we need to
problems
discuss the
that made
next
people
steps.
doubt his future in sports. Doctors advised caution. Teachers doubted his focus. Other players moved ahead while he stayed behind. But Ronnie refused to accept limits placed on his dreams. When others rested, he trained. When others slept, he practiced. Alone, early in the mornings, late at night, he kept running, kicking, falling, and standing up again. School playgrounds were painful places. Many times he stood on the sidelines while others were chosen first. He felt ignored, underestimated, invisible. But those moments did not break him. They built him. Every rejection added fire to his heart. Every failure pushed him to work harder. He trained with discipline, repeating the same drills again and again, correcting his mistakes, strengthening his body and his mind. There were days when Ronnie returned home exhausted, questioning himself in silence, sitting alone, holding his football tightly. He wondered if the dream was worth the pain. But deep inside, a quiet voice always answered back, "Keep going. Do not stop. This is your path." Ronnie started attending football trials, hoping this time would be different. Many times, it wasn't. He watched others celebrate selections while his name was not called. He felt disappointment, but never jealousy. Instead, he learned. He observed. He improved. Every failed trial taught him something new. He worked on his speed, his control, his strength, and most importantly, his mindset. One day, at another trial, everything changed. Ronnie stepped onto the field, calm, focused, and fearless. He played not to impress, but to express himself. Every pass was sharp, every movement was confident. When the chance came, he took it without hesitation and scored. Coaches watched closely. They didn't just see talent, they saw hunger, discipline, and resilience. That day, Ronnie was finally selected. Holding his first team jersey, Ronnie felt emotions he could not explain: pride, relief, gratitude, and hunger for more. But selection was not the end, it was the beginning of a harder journey. Training became tougher, expectations grew, pressure followed him everywhere. Playing in bigger stadiums, in front of louder crowds, demanded more than skill. It demanded mental strength. Ronnie faced injuries, criticism, and moments of doubt again. There were matches he lost, times when he sat alone on the field, questioning himself, but he never stayed down for long. He trained harder after every setback. Pain became part of his routine. Discipline became his identity. He learned that success is not built on victories alone, but on how you respond to failure. Over time, Ronnie transformed. From a dreaming boy in a small street, he became a leader on the field. Stronger, faster, sharper, but still grounded. He never forgot where he came from. He never forgot the lonely mornings, the ignored playgrounds, the failed trials. One day, as he stood watching young kids play football with the same innocence he once had, Ronnie smiled. He saw himself in them. He understood that his journey was no longer just his own. It was a message, a reminder that no matter where you start, no matter how many times you fall, persistence can change everything. Ronnie's story teaches us this. Dreams do not belong only to the lucky. They belong to those who refuse to quit. Every great journey starts with a single step. Keep going. Your story is still being written. Whose inspirational story should we tell next? Let us know in the comments.